Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do this subtle glam look for you using all one brand, and that is SISTAR Cosmetics. I've never actually used these products before, so I can safely say that they have passed the test. I really do like them. Don't forget to click that little bell icon below this video if you want to get notifications for my videos. If you guys want to see what products I use and how I created this look, please keep watching. So of course I'm going to start by priming my face, and I'm going to be going in with their It's You Skin Smoothing Primers, and I'm going to be going in with the matte one and hydrating. I'm going to use the hydrating one on the border of my face and the matte one on the center. Alright, so I'm going to start with the hydrating one. Oh, it's still like smoothing. It smells really good. And then going in with the matte one. This is a different like feeling primer, but I kind of like it. Alright, now for foundation, going in with the It's You Skin Perfecting Liquid Foundation, and this is in the shade Nude. I don't know how thick this stuff is, so I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna blend this in with the Beauty Blender. Don't worry about it being a little bit too light. I'm gonna go in with a bronzer, so it should end up matching. Then going in with their Bronze and Shade Duo Stick. I'm gonna go in with the matte side. Just draw it right where I want to bronze. A little on the chin, side of the nose, the forehead. Seems legit. And then going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush. I like this one for blending out my contour because it's flat and dense. I might have put this one just like a little bit too low. If you do that, just blend it out with a sponge. And then just blending the chin under and over. All these products smell really clean. I really like that. What is even happening with my forehead over here? And just blending out that forehead. All your baby hairs. Blend out with it. And then the nose. Now going in with some concealer, I'm going to be going in with the It's You Skin Perfecting HD Concealer, and this is in the shade Golden Beige. And then I'm also going to go in and brighten that up a little bit with a lighter concealer, and this is Ivory. Don't want to put too much because it's really light. Put a bit right under my eyes. Just kind of following everything that I just did. And I'm going to be setting that with It's You Skin Perfecting Finishing Powder. Translucent. And I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills A7 brush to set my under eye. I'm just setting my chin. Then I'm going to be using my big fluffy Morphe RO brush to set my entire face. Next, going in with their contour palette. This is in medium. And I'm going to be going in and mixing these last two shades on my Bow Bell B4 brush. Just lightly blending that in. And then going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 smudger brush. I'm going to pick up that middle shade and just blend that in to the sides of my nose. Going across and underneath. Just going to attempt to blend it out a little bit. And then going in with that brush I used to set my under eyes. Just really blending that out. Now for my brows, I'm going to be going in with the Brow Perfecting Pencil in Charcoal. I'm going to go ahead and brush my brows up. Going in, just starting to draw. Making sure to blend it out as you go. Brushing those hairs down. Same thing. Now going in with that Ivory concealer on my BH Cosmetics 11 brush. I'm just going to clean up my brows. I'm also going to use this to prime my eyelids, so I'm just kind of gonna put some on here. Hope I don't ruin everything. And then I'm just gonna go into my Huda Beauty Face Conceal and Blend brush and just kind of make sure all of this is blended out well. And then just setting that with that translucent powder, going in with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. So now going in with eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Sun-Kissed eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be going in with this second shade for my transition shade. And I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush for that. Just going to get that in my crease. Next, going in with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush, I'm going to take the second last shade and deepen up my crease a little more. And my outer V as well. Make sure to grab that brush you used with that first color and just blend out any lines created. And blend it a little bit under your eye as well. Then going over top of my lid with this third color, I'm just going to use my finger to apply that. Picking that same color up on this little shader brush. This is my Sigma Short Shader E20. And just kind of blend that into my crease, making sure there's no line. And it just blends out evenly. And then using the same smudger brush, picking up this darkest brown. I'm just going to smudge that right down on the lash line. Outer V lash line. And then using that brush we use, that light brown, to blend it out. You can always pick up a little bit more of that sparkly mauvish pink just to make sure it's all blended like you like. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to lightly go in with this first golden shade, taking this on my Sigma E46 inner corner shader brush. I'm also going to use this on my brow bone. Also going in with that dark brown again and just smudging that right on my lash line. And then blending it out with that light brown. And now for eyeliner, I'm going to go with a really thin line. And I'm going to use my Eye Contour Precision Liquid Liner. Trying to go as thin as possible. Now for lashes, I'm going to be going in with the L'Amour lashes in Juliette. So while those are drying, I'm just going to go in with some blush, and I'm going to be using this Half Moon blush duo in Rosy Cheeks. Be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. Then going in with my highlight, I'm going to be going in with this Lit and Glow palette. And I'll be going in with this middle shade right here. And I'll be going in with my Too Faced highlighting brush for this. Going in on my nose. Cupid's bow. And now brushing out my lashes and just blending them with the false ones. I'm going to go in with mascara, and I'm going to be going in with this Glam Up Mega Curling Mascara. I actually like to get it at the base here. I don't want to put too much mascara on the fake lashes. And then my bottoms. And the last touch is lips. I'm going to be lining my lips using this Smooth Touch Auto Lip Liner in Chocolate Mousse. And going over that with this Velveteer Lip Crayon in Nude. Then going over with this lip crayon. And then setting my face with the It's You setting spray. That smells really good. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I hope you guys like this subtle glam look using all SISTAR cosmetics. These products are actually super good. My face doesn't feel like it's caked up with makeup. Like, it doesn't really feel like there's much on it. I really think those primers made a difference in the way that all the makeup went on my face, but the makeup smells good. Like, it doesn't feel gross. So I would recommend trying them out. If you guys have any questions or thoughts on this video, please leave them below in the comments, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.